For any aircraft taking flight, safety is paramount. That means every component needs to be inspected, right down to the smallest bolt. These inspections are detailed and cover a large area, making them time-consuming, and can be at risk of quality escape. But what if we could optimize that process for our quality inspectors, using the power of AI to help them to work faster, more efficiently, and with greater accuracy? It's possible with ExpleoCassie, a fully integrated drone swarm solution for quality inspection. Small, mobile, and intelligent, it operates throughout the extremely tight spaces of an aircraft interior. ExpleoCassie works quickly to scan and inspect large items on an aircraft, to develop a point cloud, and using AI intelligence, identifies potential anomalies that require closer inspection, helping quality inspectors work more efficiently and ensure quality with reassurance of a job done right. And the best part? It's already a reality. Drone-enhanced quality inspection with ExpleoCassie.